Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuse for the passenger door module on that generation Dodge Ram. Now we need to, guys, go ahead and open the hood. Once you open your hood, here on the driver's side, you see right in front of the car battery, you have a fuse box under that cover. You have two notches, one here, one there. Press them, it opens, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here, guys, what you need to check specifically. We need to check one fuse only. By the way, we always recommend to keep some spare fuses. Why? Those are super hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere or small town. One time we needed replacement, we couldn't find one, we were stuck. So always keep some spare ones, guys. You see that row of fuses here? They start like that. That's 1918. That's 1920 right here. Fuse number 20. Okay, that fuse here, 30 amp fuse in our case, that's for the passenger door module. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.